o cyanotic, okay pa yan. Pero kapag ang oral na ang cyanotic, mamamatay na po ang tao niya. Late yan. Next, to letter D. 99. Erythroblastosis fetalis or RH incompatibility. The mother, I want this problem, RH incompatibility. The mother is RH positive and the baby is RH negative. What's the management? ROGAM. When do we administer ROGAM? After 72 hours. Next, what's the answer there? Boy. 100. 4-year-old presenting with respiratory has retraction normal yan until 6 years old, 4 to 6 years old. So what's the answer? C. Okay. Yan. Okay. Yan. Okay. That ends our rationalization. Okay. Good luck. If you have any questions and if you are willing to have a review branch here in Lucena, you can contact me or email me at yan. Okay? Yan. When you I will not accept yung mga mag-add ng friends pag walang call. JN, Balista, at Yahoo. Kailangan may own bus. Hindi na kasi mag-may na